The next section in the admin is form templates. These templates function much like the case type templates when it comes to building out a layout. The primary difference is that form templates are specifically designed to create individual forms. These forms can be filled out manually by users or automatically through the use of bots, offering flexibility and efficiency in handling tasks. Let's take a closer look at the form templates section. To get started with creating a new form, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on New. This will open up the form designer where you can begin building your custom form. The first step is to give your form a name. Once that's done, you'll notice that the layout designer looks very similar to the one used for case type templates. If you've completed the case type templates tutorial, this should feel familiar. From here, you can simply click and drag the fields and elements you need to construct your form. We won't go into detail about each individual field to save time and avoid repetition, as you've likely already seen these features in action. Once you're satisfied with the design, simply click Save to finalize your form.